Then coming over and looking at the FTSE, so FTSE finally looks like it might actually drop down to the fib. 73.68 I'm looking for, so a little bit further to go. And if you see that hit and hold, then that gives you the swing long setup opportunity if you want it in the FTSE. DAX, let me go to the daily chart. So the German DAX has taken out this low from end of June here this morning, which means this was not the 2, which leaves off the 4 ABC 1, A, B, and a diagonal unfolding for the this 2. It needs to hold this region. If it doesn't, and certainly if it takes out this low, then something else altogether is going on in the German DAX. But if I bring it down here and look at it on the 4-hour chart, there's the A, B, then I've got all in ABCs, 1, 2, 3 into the 1618, 4 in a diagonal, A, B, C. We seem to have held just above the 764 and the 1764 of the diagonal and are starting to bounce. Another small low maybe, but I'm looking for this to complete imminently in the German DAX. And if I take it all the way down to the 1-hour chart, this final A, B, C, you can see we've hit the 1.0 extension. The 123.6 lines up perfectly with the 1764 for the larger diagonal down, which also lines up with the 764 retrace of the 1. So there's a reasonable degree of confluence at that level of 12.061.62. And I'm looking for that to hold. If it doesn't, then I start to be concerned about the big account in the German DAX. Okay, that's what I've got pre-market. So I've still got half a position long in CL, half a position long in ES going into the open today. Both will